I'm Tyler Howard. This is the ping pong game. It's like Project 17, I think. So basically, we start off by declaring some speed variables for the ball, and then we start off by also declaring the points variable, and then we declared a game form, which we put in the timer, and then in this code, we're just hiding the cursor. This first one is basically just making sure there's no border styles when you start the program. This one just brings the form to the top of your program when you start it. And then this just forces it to become your full screen. What else do we got? This is basically just starting up the racket. And then, so the game over label comes up after you lose the ping pong ball. Don't hit it with your racket. So this is just basically showing where it'll show up on your screen, just making sure it's not visible. Then we have an event handler, which is for the timer. This is basically what's going to start the program, start the timer. This is basically just making your cursor into the racket. And then this is the speed, left top. And then this is basically just saying as long as the ball hits the racket and doesn't hit below it, it will increase the speed top and left, and then it'll add a point every time it hits the racket, then add a point to the points variable. It also changes the background color every time you hit the racket, and then this is just all just saying changing the direction of the ball every time it hits the racket. And then the bottom one is if it doesn't hit the bottom of the racket, it ends the game and shows the game over label. Then we have a game form key down event handler, and then this basically just says if you hit escape, it closes the game. Hit F1, it restarts the game. And these are all the things to reset all the variables. If you hit F1, so it's pretty easy. Yeah.
Yeah, so Adam Tags. I'm just playing the game, just showing it's just like Pong, one of the original video games, and Brick Breaker in a way, but it's one player. Yeah, it's increasingly getting faster, and if I miss it, game over. Shows like the menu, and escape to exit.
This is Sam Trenter. I did the database login project, and in the code, this is for the logged in screen, this one right here, and it just has it so if you close it, it closes the app out. And then for the, let me open up form 1. We have it so when you click the login button, we connect to the database with this. This is how the computer C# will find the database. And then here's our query for the database. And then it gets the text from each of the text box and submits that. And then right here is where it'll check. And if it doesn't check, or if this doesn't pass, this is where it opens up the "you are logged in." Then it goes down here and it tells us our username and password is wrong.
So my name is Majid. I'm going to start the program. What is it? I'm going to type Majid.
It's not going to log in with that, but you can show it spitting it back out.
All right.
There.
You're not.